6, 7, go. 1 and 2, up. Then right hand, left hand, down. Then 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then 1, 2, 3, मैम काउंटिंग के साथ 4. Then next step 1, 2. Then right side में 1 and 2, left side मैम काउंटिंग के साथ 1 and 2. Then 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1 and 2, round. 1 and 2, full round नहीं, half round होगा. Then 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, right side. 1 and 2.